Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are just new to my channel, I'm so glad that you're here. If you're just new to my channel, if you're new to my channel, if you're just coming here, I'm so glad that you're here. Today, finally, now that my child is 4 months old, I am doing a little tour of Daisy's baby room. I mentioned this before. She stays in her bassinet with us in our room. Move our crib in there with us when she's like 6 months old, and then our goal is to eventually like co-sleep with her and have her just sleep with us. But we wanted to have a space of hers to change her to feel like we could go and relax and sit with her, a place to pray, a place to just be, a place for all of her stuff. And then, you know, eventually if she wanted it to be her own space, then it could be. So that's the room that I'll be showing you today. It is our very front room in our house. It's got the most beautiful light. It used to be a guest room, LOL, but it's very small. It's basically a glorified closet. We're doing the best we can with the small space that we have, but I really, really love it. I don't think we actually need really anything more. It's perfect. So let's go see it. So this photo was actually sent to me by a follower on Instagram who took this and created like an illustration out of it, a painting out of it, and did not realize that we were pregnant at the time. So this is actually the first photo that Steve and I took last Thanksgiving when we had just found out that we were pregnant. So that's me, Steve, and Daisy. This is Saint Jane de Chantal, part of Daisy's namesake. Her middle name is Jane. And I just really love this saint. This is from the Modern Saints by Gracie, this painting. So I'll tag her below. This is a photo of my family up here, all my sisters, my mom and dad, and me and Steve at my sister's birthday. This was made for me by my dear friend Lauren, which I just think is so beautiful. This is Steve's family, most of his siblings and his parents and one of their babies. This was part of a favor given to us last year at my boss's wedding, and I finally had a little frame for it, so now it can stay there. This is from a local artist named Meg. Purchased it, I think maybe last year at a block party. I thought it looked sweet in a baby girl's room if I ever had one. This was made for me again by a dear friend named Emily. I just love it so much. It's so sweet. This is a Dorothy Day quote that came as just part of a card insert for an order from Be a Heart. My friend Erica. I just really love this quote and I just thought it worked well, so I kept it here. And then this is another Modern Saints by Gracie. This is Saint Rita, who's one of my faves. So that is kind of the behind the scenes of all of the photos that make up her little gallery wall. And like I said, I'll probably put like a little scripture square right up here. This little rug, which I need to clean because that is animal fur. But I want to get another like almost like a faux fur, maybe like asymmetrical rug to get like for what we're standing on. The little corner with some of my books, another little candle, little table for when I'm in here with her. And then this is just, hello, we're storing this right now. Her car seat. This is her closet, which is probably a mess, so please excuse. Okay, so this is her closet. Some of it is a little bit messy, obviously. This is her mini crib. It will actually go in our room when we are done using her bassinet. We just have a few pictures over it for right now because my desk is actually going to come back and go in this spot. The crib will come in our room. We'll get rid of the bassinet and she'll stay in our room with us probably until we move out of here, honestly. I think we'll get her her own space for sleeping separate from us. I mean, if it doesn't work out, we'll put her maybe back in here, but I think for now she'll be in the crib with us. pretty much it for the nursery room tour. We finally did it 4 months in. Again, I have a few more things that I want to put up around the room in terms of like photos and stuff, but otherwise I'm really happy with how it turned out. The paint is called Bashful by Benjamin Moore. I'll link it below. I'll link everything that I showed you here today. I was thinking of maybe trying to do a coinciding blog post so that it'll just all be in one spot. So I'll take a few pictures and do that as well. But thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments below what you think. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this from my channel. Let me know what else you'd like to see. Any more baby themed videos, any more Daisy content. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for stopping by.